one of our options for on-site fueling, setting tanks on site, is the fuel cube that you see here. This tank can come in between a 500 or 1,000 gallon tank capacity. These are slick, specifically for job sites, because they're designed to be mobile. You'll see here that there's 2 forklift spots where one of your construction pieces of equipment can pick this tank up and move it around your job site. As we all know, not many job sites stay in one spot, right? They have to move around. So with this ability, you can move your tank around with it, so there's less drive time between the equipment where it's working to the storage tank to get refueled, which cuts down your employee expense for your day and making you more efficient. Double wall DEP standard. So what that means is there's actually 2 tanks here. There's one on the inside which actually contains the fuel, and there's a separate tank on the outside, the outer shell, that's designed where if the inside tank were to leak, the fuel leaks into the outer shell so it doesn't disperse into the environment surrounding it. And these tanks also have a gauge on it to where if that were to occur when the driver goes to fuel the tank, there's a gauge that tells him the inner tank is compromised, so we don't provide delivery and we can address the situation. One of the key features of this tank is everything is enclosed within the tank. There's actually a lockable cabinet over here which we can walk over and show. This cabinet contains everything that you need for a tank. It has your pump, your nozzle and hose that you can fill your equipment. This is where our driver will fill the equipment. It's properly vented as well to make a nice, easy, convenient, safe way for your employees to fill their equipment.